everybody, Shelby here, and today we're talking about Skin Gym's Crystal Facial Roller in Rose Quartz. Now, these facial rollers have been super trendy and all of the rage, and that is because they are said to stimulate collagen, which helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and I know ladies, you don't want those. They're also great to reduce puffiness. And a quick tip on these is you can actually stick this in your refrigerator and it cools both of the ends. So that helps to relieve any tension in your facial muscles, and that's one of the reasons I love it. They come with a big and a small end. The big end is obviously better for your cheeks, your forehead, and the small end is for the contours of your nose or your eye sockets. And how I like to use these, everybody's different, but how I like to use them is I always start from the inside of my face and roll out. You always want to roll outside from your face, and that's how I like to use these. A couple of reasons why Lucky Vitamin carries this product is the brand is 100% cruelty-free and there is no harsh chemicals used in the process. It's also ethically sourced. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!